Hey, Gary Baker here with 30minutemarketing.net. Today we're answering a comment here on the YouTube channel. Music Therapy asks, is it difficult to get commissions on WarriorPlus, and how many chances are there people will buy something from our provided link? You can see my reply there. Of course, I'll leave a card up here in the right hand corner to the video where you saw these comments if you want to see those replies. But the next question, and the one I'm replying to, is, oh, thank you, and how to get more traffic on the link, which means on which website we should post, or should we post our link to get traffic. Now I'll talk about which website or my number one recommendation to use to get affiliate marketing traffic. Specifically, free traffic is most likely what is being asked here, and the simple answer is right here on YouTube. Simply head over to WarriorPlus, go over to the marketplace, top products, pick anything from the top sellers here, take a look at it. For example, we'll go all the way down to the bottom, which is number 10, and take a look at this product called Clickits. Go back to YouTube, type in Clickits and the keyword review, and you'll see the results here. Of course, I did a review on this. You see some other reviews, but the idea here is content is being created to sell this product, and free traffic is coming in on these reviews to the affiliate link over on WarriorPlus. Now, don't misunderstand what I'm saying about this product or any of the other products on the top 10. The idea here is to create content, in this case reviews, real reviews, and if the product is worthy of selling to your audience, and your audience being a group of people that you're building trust with and who follow you for your recommendation, then go ahead, make a review, and if the product works and you support it, then provide your affiliate link in the description. People are going to click on that link, they're going to buy the product, and you've just used the oldest trick in the book of demonstrating how you can help people by actually helping them with giving them valuable content. Now, the video review is probably the easiest way to generate content and make some sales, but really if you want to do this long term and you want to generate more revenue or more affiliate commissions, then what you're going to have to do is create more helpful content in the niche that you're selling these products. And again, on WarriorPlus, typically these are make money online. So take these products, understand their strategy, teach that strategy on your YouTube channel, just like what you see here at 30 Minute Marketing. Go here, check out my video that introduces you how to make money online with affiliate marketing, and then check out my latest uploads. You're going to see reviews. You're also going to see videos that teach people and show people my number one recommendation on how to make $1,000 on YouTube in a month. Also, I'm going to show people exactly how I made $4,856.51 with free traffic using the platform that I recommend with a strategy that I know works. And don't forget, recommending products that actually work and building an audience of people that trust me based upon my recommendations, as well as the value that I provide to them here on YouTube by actually talking about how to actually make money online with real marketing strategies. And it really is just that simple. And of course, if you'd like to learn more about the strategy that I use, go ahead and click on the video you see on the screen right now. Watch that video. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. I'll be sure to get right back to you, and I'll talk to you then. Bye.